My name is Rashida, and today I'm going to present how I mount the CPU. So I'm going to read my device. So firstly, this is my and my motherboard, where we have the CPU socket, the RAM socket, which is 4-pin power supply, the 4-pin power supply, the power rest port. So I'm putting back my CPU processor into the CPU socket. So So, thank you for watching my video. Now I'm mount to. Hello sir, my name is Kazumi Rashida Mashuku ICC 2024-1914, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a problem. As you can see, our computer is off, so we're going to on it.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what the difference of plugging battery, keyboard and a mouse on a computer, considering my computer's keyboard and mouse is not functioning. So first, hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install your operating system. So after downloading your virtual machine, you enter inside, you click on new, you fill the blanks. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to configure a network. I use the app Cisco Packet Tracer to do this. So after opening my app,